Where's your tattoo? Give her the ball.
Let me see, Leonidas.
Give her the ball. Oh my God.
It's hard. I didn't even check if you could cut on
Come on, Bubba boy.
Say hi, Edwin. Say what's your name? Don't bite that.
You gotta go faster.
Edwin. Edwin. Your head, boy.
Daddy, I'm going. I'm going.
Yeah, we're going.
Daddy, I'm going.
Yeah?
Oh, you wanna go in there? I can push you in there.
Come on this way. Are you having fun?
Yeah. No, I wanted to do that.
That was cool.
There's water, but it takes so long.
That's cool.
And then you gotta wait for it to do it again.
Like, there has been a lot of thought put into this.
Come on.
Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Oh, I barely missed it.
Veronica, you wanna do it? Okay, pressure.
You gotta wait for him to come.
I'll let you guys get wet.
Edwin.
Do this.
Ready?
Go. 3. Go. Go, man. Adults can go down first.
Take your mommy. Let me see your nose.
Ah, there. shoulder swing! Off shoulder swing!
Oh no. No, not here. Is that an 18? Or is that 60?
Hey, look, over here. Let's see if we can make it past here. Oh, hell. That was that bad.
You playing with the sand, Bubba? Build a castle, Bubba. What do you build?
Can you see the Goofy from here? Oh, you can. Well, Leonardo's probably can. Leonardo's, look, it's Goofy. Look. They got him before.
Go, Bubba.
Look.
Oh, look. The football field, baby. Did you smell from the floor? You're stepping on Mickey.
Oops, my bad.
You like it, baby?
Go.
Right here, I gotta come back. They're having a dance party over there.
Ooh.
He said, nay. What does the horsey say?
Jeez Louise.
He didn't even care. Here it is. Leonidas, that's not what they're for. Take a picture. Take a picture with Goofy. Look, Leonidas, one.
Leonidas.
Leonidas. Leonidas. Leonidas.
Hey, look over here.
1, 2, 3. Show me your teeth. Leonidas.
That's funny.
You wanna go take a picture? Take a picture with LJ.
Hey,